Hello, this is Walton Guerrero from Autotech Electronic, and I wanted to make a quick video of something that we see every day, and it has to do with the keys for the car. Okay, basically we get a lot of calls for people saying that my key is on program, or I'm having problems with my computer in the car, or my car won't start. Whatever the situation may be, most people think that the problem is with the key. Well, my advice today, okay, is going to be mainly to always have at least 2 working keys to start your vehicle. Okay, if you can have 3, even better. Okay, but the idea is that all the keys basically are different. They look different, and sometimes they even operate differently in the vehicle. But one thing that they have in common is that if you have more than 2 keys with you when you're experiencing a problem, you'll be able to isolate whether the problem is the actual key or the problem is the vehicle. Okay, and you'll be able to save yourself time, money, headaches, and of course, having to take the vehicle to a shop or to the dealership, to get all their work done when it could have just been solved by having an extra key. The other and bigger advantage of having an extra key is that most vehicles require 2 keys in order for a computer, any immobilizer module to be replaced. It requires 2 keys. This is especially true with Fords and even some newer Chrysler nowadays. But anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video to basically advise you to always have 2 keys, so that way it'll make it easier for whoever's troubleshooting or diagnosing whatever problem you're having in the car. Hopefully they have the experience, and if they do, by you letting them know that you have 2 keys, it will actually help you in the long run by not having to pay for things that you don't need. Thanks for watching.